Okay, quick video on how to do some changes in FormStack. You'll go into the actual program. You'll go into the form that you want to take care of. This one at this point is called the walkthrough survey copy. And then you will go to this build section up here. This is where you build the actual form and do all the editing and what have you. So this one we wanted to add all of the new teachers into a walkthrough form. As you can see, it says 1920. So if you just double click on something right here, it will bring up this menu over here where you can make the changes. So I'm going to call this actually 2021 2022 school year walkthrough form, and you can see it changes over here. Okay, and it saves automatically. The other thing we wanted to change was the teachers have changed over the last year. We have a few new faces and a few that need to be deleted. So this is where you would just go in right here. It's a drop-down menu when we go into our form and we're walking through classes. We can just click on this button and it will drop down a menu of all the teachers. So like for instance, I know Mrs. Stanley is gone. So we need to go in here, take out Mrs. Stanley, and I believe that is Mrs. Song. So I'm just going to put Song there and click out of it, and it's changed. And so we would go to any one of the teachers that's been replaced or is no longer here, like Mrs. Peters. She is now Mrs. Huber, right? And go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and click off of here so that when you get this video, you should be able to take care of that. Thank you.